When you're doing this at home, what position are you in? How are you doing it?
Keep your arms straight as you
In a chair.
Okay.
With my leg out so I can.
Yeah. Perfect.
I mean, it's hanging down, but that way I can get around.
And you know what should happen is when you first get into this position, there's that little gap underneath the back of the knee. If you prop the heel on a pillow or something to elevate it, that will continue to improve just with gravity pulling on it. So that's what I said. Like the rolling pin massage, it's great because it improves the fluid exchange, it spreads out the tissue, it reduces some of the pain from the tourniquet or bruising or anything that's going on.
Yeah.
But the secondary benefit is to work on the extension.
I know those exercises I was doing 15, and where like on the pad,
Yeah.
I could tell each time it went down.
Yeah. Yeah. And it'll tighten back up, but that's okay because then you do it again.
Yeah.